Everybody, it's Eugene Lee Show, and the Forensic Photography Symposium is coming up January 16th to 19th, 2023. I'm doing my best to bring the speakers forward here and give some little previews about what they're going to be speaking about. Today, I have with me Rob Rigole, who is a FPS veteran. He was at the first one last year, and he's back again this year. Rob, I know you're going to be speaking on recovering fingerprints or photographing fingerprints on curved surfaces. And so can you tell me a little bit about what you're going to be talking about?
Yeah, so one of the important factors in any kind of forensic photography, whether it be a crime scene or an exhibit and a fingerprint, it's depth of field. And when you have macro photography issues where your fingerprints are on a curved surface or maybe on a multi-tiered or multi-leveled surface, depth of field becomes a challenge. So my talk's going to be about camera settings involved to overcome this, to maximize the depth of field. Explain what is exactly 90 degrees to a curved surface with the lens or a multi-leveled surface, what aperture size should we be using, and in fact, where should we actually put our point of focus on that curve to get everything in acceptable focus.
Excellent. Well, we're going to be seeing you. You're already on the agenda. You're on the schedule, so people can go. And if you click on the link below, folks, you'll be able to come up with the tentative schedule, but we're refining it. More people are getting on there. You can also register if you're interested in submitting an abstract. You can also do that on the website as well. Rob, thanks a lot, and looking forward to your presentation.
Looking forward to it myself. Thanks.